Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enter and exit the bootloader mode on the Nothing phone today. So in order to do that, first of all you have to turn off your phone. So at the bottom of your screen find your power button, and on the other side find your volume up button. Now hold them simultaneously and we've got our power off menu. Simply press power off and give it a few seconds to shut down. Now after your device is off, simply press the power button, volume up button one more time and hold them. Hold them until you'll see the opened menu, right? So now it's open. So we entered our bootloader mode. You can navigate through it using your volume up button, and you can confirm the choice by using volume down button. So by now you have several options here, such as recovery mode, fast boost mode, normal boot mode, and power off. So let's select the third option, which is normal boot mode. Let's press volume down, press it one more time, give it a few seconds, and now your device will start to boot into iDroid, as you see. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.